Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This is GCSE revision tips, tricks and banter. Today we're going to be doing, well not today, it's another video of today, but we will be doing some algebraic fractions, simplifying them, maybe even get on to some, we'll stick with simplifying, and that simplifying is a lot of multiplying. We're going up to A. We're not brushing the A star bit, but we're on the B/A. And from there, I'm sorry that I'm not doing the A star, but from there you should be able to infer, if you get a question talking about adding and subtracting these fractions, you should be able to infer what you're going to do. But we're going to get straight right into it. And simplifying algebraic fractions, you will always have a top and bottom. Actually, scrap that, you may not always, but one of the best ways to complete a question like this is to look for if there is a top and bottom fraction. So as we can see here, there's only one way to there'll be one way to simplify all of them, but I'm just saying that cancelling out is the best choice of how to do it. So on the top we have x, and then in brackets x, so x times x squared, and then x times minus 3 is minus 3x. And then the bottom we're going to have 2. We need to work out what times to make 15 and adds to make 8. It's obviously going to be 3 times 5, but we're going to have a double bracket. So this one, they'll probably, well, we know that it's going to be a minus and a minus to create that, so we're going to have, and we know it's 3 and 5, so we're going to have x minus 3 and x minus 5, both in brackets, and then from there we know what to do. We're going to cancel out these two, which will leave us with x over x minus 5. Secondly, what we can do here is simplify this from 4, so we can, what we're going to do is get rid of this and take 4a there, so we're going to be left with b squared, get rid of this and put a 5 there, simplifying it, because 5 4s go into 20, so that'll be 5, but we're also taking the a away, but we're taking the squared away from there because it'll be a 1, but we don't show the 1, so that will be 5a over b squared, and that will be your final answer for that type of question. Here, this is very similar to this sort of question up here. We're going to have x minus 3, but this is going to be in brackets obviously, but it doesn't have to be a bracket, but I would suggest putting a 1 there just so you know you can do that. Sorry for the dodgy draw of brackets, but and then we're going to have x plus 3, and then x, that is a 3, x plus 3, and then x minus 3, okay? And of course this will cancel out of that, so we're going to end up with 1 over x plus 3, and that will be your final answer. And then last but not least, and probably the hardest question on here, we're going to have to try and do here is remember that these questions, what you really have to look for is the easiest way to tackle it. So first we're going to factorize, and that will be easiest way. 4 times 5 equals 20, so we're going to have 4a minus 5, and then on the bottom we're going to have a, and then 5 times 5 equals 25, so a plus 5, but it's going to be a minus, so we're going to have a plus 5, and then a minus 5. Alright, and that will give us that, and that will give us that, but we can also simplify So the answer will be 4 over a plus 5. And that is your final answer for this. So once again, to recap, what we're really looking for is the simple ways of getting the question down, and how to you basically want to make your life easier for yourself, and one of the best ways of doing that is to cancel out, and cancelling out is key when coming to answer these questions. So just remember that cancelling out, and if you remember that, then it should make your life very easy. Moving on, we're going to quickly look over one more question, which is harder because it's not harder, it's pretty much the same. And we're going to skip these if this would be x plus 2 and x plus 3, because 2 don't do that, and add to make that over x plus 2 is basically the other way round, and that would cancel out the x plus 2 and the x plus 2. Here is going to be double on the top and double on the bottom. So to get this, it is 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3, and this is 2x minus 3 and x minus 1, and the 2x minus 3 will cancel out on the bottom and the top, leaving you with 2x plus 3 over x minus 1. But this is the question that I wanted to go over because it's quite a difficult one. It says write as a single fraction, and this is sort of where we will diverge over this. So this is a simpler version of a question that can get quite difficult, but I will go through it with you. So it is what we do is 4 over. So we write this one's fine. 4 over x plus 3 in brackets with an x there. So this is fine right now. But this one isn't anywhere near where we want the same denominator on both sides. So we're going to times this one by x as well. So this will become 5x, because you need to times the numerator and the denominator. And this will have the exact same number plate now as the other one, like that. Now, from there we can just create normal brackets, so 4 plus 5x over x bracket x plus 3, and that would be your final answer. And you can change it, of course, to 5x plus 4 over x plus 3. Hope that has helped. That is what I'm aiming to do for people, no matter what they say. And I hope this has helped. Remember, poetry coming tomorrow. There should be, I'm hoping for 2 poetry videos by 12 o'clock tomorrow, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and 12 o'clock at noon, and hopefully all the conflict will be done by 3, and if that is achieved, then that should give you enough time to check the videos and all of that sorts. Okay, see you later, thanks for watching.